Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Dr. Manoj Sharma, Head of Department of Spine and Orthopedic Surgery, Jaipur Golden Hospital, Rohini, Delhi. Today, I am going to talk about how to lose weight and become fit. Obesity is the number one preventable cause of many diseases like heart disease, blood pressure, diabetes, cancer. Even in bone and joint, it can degenerate our joint and spine very fast, causing joint pains and back pain. I have lost 22 kgs in 22 weeks. I feel more fit now, more confident. I wear the party clothes and feel like going to the parties. So I want to share this secret with my friends. I'm sure all of you want to lose weight. It is not a rocket science. It is very simple. Don't worry. You just have to follow 3 rules. Number 1, a little bit of change in your diet. Number 2, a little bit of exercise. And number 3, a strong determination. Regarding diet, you have to take 1200 calories of food every day. Regarding exercise, just 1 hour of walking is enough. And regarding a strong determination, it is not an overnight process. It is not a sprint. It is a marathon. It will take some time. So just be patient. Our body is like a tank of calories. The weight we gain or lose is the number of calories we take and number of calories we burn. If we burn 7 calories, we lose a gram of weight. If we burn 7,000 calories, we will lose 1 kg of weight. And that's what we have to do in a week's time, and that's what I did in a week. It is simple. A sedentary worker or a housewife burns about 1800 calories on its own, by itself. How? Whatever you do in house or outside, you are burning the calorie constantly. Even while you're going to toilet, you are brushing, you are laughing, you are talking, you are sitting, you are walking in the kitchen. So you burn 1800 calories anyway if you don't do anything. If you do a morning walk of 1 hour, you will burn 400 calories more. So 18 plus 400, it becomes 2200 calories. If you consume a food of 1200 calories only, 22 minus 1200, you have effectively burned 1000 calories. And this in a week becomes 7000, and you will start losing 1 kg of weight in a week's time. Now, you might think that it is difficult and 1200 calories may be very starving. No, it is not. Hollywood stars used to take only 500 to 600 calories to lose weight. 1200 is too much. 2 chapatis and a sabzi is only 200 calories. So if you take two chapati and a bowl of vegetable 3 times a day, it is only 600 calories. You still have got 600 calories more to take. But you should take more of vegetables and salads instead of the fried. The most important thing is you should never take the deep fried stuff like samosas, kulchas and all that. And even in, let me give you an example. Salads are better than the fruits. A banana has got 120 calories, whereas a kheera or a cucumber has got only 9 calories. So 13 kheeras are equal to a banana calorie-wise. So you should take as much kheera as you wish throughout the day to fill your tummy. Let us take an example of milk. If you take a normal fat milk, a glass of milk will be approximately 300 to 400 calories. Whereas if you take skim milk, the milk which doesn't have fat, it is only 90 calories. So instead of 1, you can take 4 glasses in a day. So this remaining 600 calories which you have got a liberty to take, you should be careful about. Don't take the sweets also, since sweets are also fried. The people who take drinks, one large drink is about 150 calories. So if you are taking drinks, then above 60, you should never take more than 1 large drink. But if you are young, if you are taking drink, you are not allowed to take food. You should only take salad along with it. Number 1. So how I did that? I get up in the morning at 5 o'clock. This is Roshnara Club of Delhi. And I come here at 6 o'clock. And in the morning from 6 to 8, I either play the tennis or I walk or I go to the gym. or I jump into the swimming pool and then I change here and go to hospital from here straight away at 8 o'clock. Now the thing is that morning time from 6 to 8, we are only sleeping. We are doing nothing. You know, we don't even attend the important telephone calls, which you get after 10 a.m. in the morning. So this time from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. you can use to build your body and lose weight. And that's what I do. So, ladies and gentlemen, it is not difficult. Yeah, there is one more thing I would like to say, that gym is not important, just walking is cheap and best, but gym will shape your body. It will not reduce kgs, but it will reduce inches. So it will give shape to your body, it will sculpt your body, you will look more handsome and with, you know, nice cuts in your body. So gymming is good for your cuts, but not for weight. So ladies and gentlemen, I wish you a very slim and healthy life. And I hope and I wish that you lose weight very fast now. Okay, go ahead.